Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Sauraj Kuruche, welcome you all for today's lecture of marketing management. This is module number 2, video number 3. In previous class, we have seen the simple meaning of marketing management, and after that, we have seen the basic concepts of digital marketing. In simple, digital marketing is the use of internet, mobile devices, social media, search engines, and other channels to reach consumers, or some marketing experts consider digital marketing to be an entirely new endeavor that uses, say, promoting and selling products or services on internet. If you write this much, you all will get 2 marks. Today, we shall see the definitions of the digital marketing. The first definition I will be discussing is given by Chartered Institute of Marketing in the year 2015. As per Chartered Institute of Marketing, digital marketing is the management process responsible for identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer requirement profitably. Here, the Chartered Institute of Marketing says that digital marketing is the process of management which is responsible for identifying what is the consumer's requirement, what things consumer is looking for, or what are the things for which customer is searching, identifying those things, then anticipating the costs or anticipating the things involved in that process, and trying to satisfy the requirements of the customer. Here, not only satisfying the customers, but it should be satisfied in a profitable way. Because if we don't get profit, then we cannot run our business. Therefore, here the main intention of trading organization is to earn profit. So, this process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying the customer is to be done in a profitable way itself. This is the first definition. Second definition given by Smarter Insights 2000. Here what they say, achieving marketing objectives through applying digital technologies. As per this definition, whatever the marketing objectives are there, the traditional marketing activities, whatever were involved, all those objectives to be achieved and applied with the help of technology. It may be pricing, promotion, reaching the customer, supplying, sales, advertisement, all these things should be done by using the digital technology. Because in today's scenario, the digitalization has made everybody familiar and easy for doing all these activities. So, as per this definition, achieving marketing objectives through applying digital technologies. These digital technologies need to be applied to the traditional objectives of the marketing. Then another definition given by Shafi in the year 2012, he says that the application of the internet and related digital technologies in conjunction with traditional communications to achieve marketing objectives. As per this definition, whatever the traditional things we used to follow about the marketing, or the traditional activities what we used to do, should be done with the help of digital technologies. Applying all these digital technologies on that traditional concepts. When we apply these technologies on the traditional concepts, we are doing the same marketing activities with the help of digital technologies. So, This process involves, say, promotion, pricing, sales, reaching the customer, advertisement, customers feedback, etc., etc. So all the process is being done with the help of internet, and this is known as digital marketing. A 2 marks question may come for your examination saying define digital marketing. So at that point of time, any of these three definitions you all can write. You all will get, say, 2 marks for that question. Remember, meaning means only simple meaning. Definition means the definitions given by some or the other author or organization. So here these three definitions I have explained. Another 1 or 2 simple definitions I will be, say, sending you all in notes, which you all can remember for your examination. With this we shall stop here. Thank you. Good day.